Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by updating your iPhone to iOS 14 or later to enable widgets and app library. Back up your device using iCloud or a computer before making big changes. Press and hold any app icon for 2 seconds until the icons jiggle and show options. Tap Remove from home screen to move apps to the app library without deleting them. Create a clean canvas by moving rarely used apps to the app library and freeing space for widgets and folders. To add widgets, enter Jiggle mode and tap the plus icon in the top corner. Choose widget sizes small, medium, or large to match your layout needs. Drag a widget onto the home screen and place it where it looks balanced visually. Create a smart stack by dragging one widget on top of another to combine information. Adjust widget settings by long pressing the widget and selecting Edit Widget to pick sources and preferences. Organize apps by dragging similar apps together to form folders for faster access. Name folders with concise labels like Productivity, Social, or Utilities for easy scanning. Rearrange apps across pages by dragging icons to the screen edge to move them to a new page. Place your most used apps or folders in the dock for immediate access from any page. When finished, press Done or tap the background to exit Jiggle mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.